Hello mga kalingap,
Hello mga kalangga!
please subscribe Richel TV.
Thank you mga kalingap.
Of the Asians. Ladies and he has been with us since the last week. Okay, you have to stay where you are because this night promises a lot of surprises. Now, folks, may we, okay, invite everyone's attention as we now have this beautiful and magical moment for our dearest Langga receiving surprises after surprises from her valued supporters. Ladies and gentlemen, may I call my dearest Ruel, our dearest. Okay, folks, ladies and gentlemen, she's back and I love the song, Miss Independent. I love it. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go this time. To invite everybody for the toasting, may I call the following gentlemen to be with our dearest Langga. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Francis Coronado, Ms. Francia Panotes, the Honorable Frankie Ramos, Ms. Ginaline Adonis, Mr. John Bien Espanyol, Mr. Regan Banyares, Mr. Vincent Caliada, Mr. Marvin Abogado, Mr. Arnel Daiz Morales, Mr. John Rivera, Mr. Miss Maui Matuba, Ms. Alex Librada, Ms. Delia Linsangan, Ms. Mary Ann Escolar, Ms. Arwin Galvez, Ms. Cindy Marie de Torres, and Ms. Liza Giana. All of those po na tinawag namin, dito po tayo sa unahan. Liquids in it. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, let us toast to this occasion. And we have our dearest Dodong to do that.
Di ba naman to sumawi? Ha?
Here's for the success of this occasion, Arisha's 18th birthday. Cheers, everybody!
Ladies and gentlemen, for our success, make our hands free and a round of applause for all of us! Congratulations, RFUS International! RFUS, thank you! Yes, our friends! Infinity Global Supporter.
Nauwi siya dito. Masakit yung katawan. Minsan po, kahit po masakit yung katawan niya, pagka umaga mapasok na naman po siya sa trabaho. Kaya sobrang bilib po kay Tama kasi kahit ganyan siya, hindi niya po kayo pinapabayaan. Proud po ako kasi siya po yung naging papa ko. Yung iba pong tatay, kapag wala na po yung asawa nila, iniiwan na po yung mga anak. Pero si Papa, hindi kami iniwan kahit sobrang hirap.
Panoorin ang kabuang kwento at kung paano kami napaiyak sa kwento ng buhay ni Rachel.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never
being there for me. Thank you for quality time and effort. Dahil dyan palang masaya na ako, Langga. Salamat din dahil isa ka sa mga taong nag-encourage sa akin na ipagpatuloy lahat ng nasimulan ko. Salamat sa pakikinig sa mga kwento ko, sa mga oras na nalulungkot ako, sa mga oras na kailangan ko ng comfort, lagi kang nandyan para pakalmahin ako. Salamat, Langga, for everything. I love you to the moon and back. To my loving fans, na pamilya ko na rin, thank you so much for your incredible support and effort in making my debut unforgettable. Actually, this is the second celebration of my birthday. But anyway, I want you to know that your love and dedication mean the world to me. I am truly grateful for each and every one of you, Rochelle Forever United supporters, and all the supporters. Let's continue this amazing journey together. Sa mga organizers, maraming salamat po sa napakagandang effort na ito sa Bella. Especially yung sa photoshoot pa lang, grabe na yung effort nyo. Thank you so much po. To all the people who are around me now, maraming salamat po sa pag-attend. Maraming salamat po sa oras na ginugol nyo para sa celebrasyon ng aking birthday. Once again, maraming salamat po and God bless you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, our dearest folks, ladies and gentlemen, let's give the family of our dearest Rachel May, our dearest Langga, the biggest round of applause. Thank you, family. Thank you, family. I am honored to be with you again tonight. Thank you so much. Everyone, we may all be seated. Maraming salamat po. Folks, ladies and gentlemen, here we go now. I believe, of course,
Rachel's or Langa's 18th birthday. So, I welcome you all in this prestigious celebration of Langga 18th birthday. So, i-highlight ko lang po dito yung mga pumunta, no? Family of Rachel Morales, dito po, on the left side. And also on the side of her mother, the side of the Morales family, the Arriba family. Yeah, give round of applause. Next one.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands up together. Let's put our hands up together, everybody. And I wish for you to wave and say hi to the princess of our hearts. Once again, a big hand for our dearest Langga. Ladies and gentlemen, she's now being received by her pop, and the first bouquet of flowers came from Papa, and here's another one to the prince. Let's give them a round of applause. Everybody now, thank you. You are beautiful, Rachel May, as you have always been. Everyone, once again, let's give ourselves the biggest round of applause. Congratulations to all of you. That this night